Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to online study for you, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news which is coming here from Accenture here. So Accenture has announced new examination date which will be in between 25th of August to 6th of September. Your exam date will be 28th and 29th of August, and the interview date will be 5th of September. Now friends, this is for the on campus students, so be very clear with that, right? See, even the off campus students are waiting for the updates for the next slot booking. Now Accenture has released for the on campus, so definitely for off campus also it will start soon. Once we get any update, we will let you know. So please do subscribe and click on all bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Now friends, Accenture is repeating questions from this topic only. So if you put effort in some other topics, definitely you might not be able to clear the round one itself, right? So friends, basically out of aptitude and reasoning, okay, so aptitude you will be hardly getting 2 to 3 questions, and that too in the terms of data sufficiency. The major questions will be from reasoning. Now in reasoning, so we have finding the number of triangles, square and straight line, number series, coding and decoding, different types, syllogism where some not cases are not asked, and analogy based question. Now we will solve the question from all the important topics so that you will get a pattern also. And friend, this kind of topics has not been discussed anywhere. Now friend, that is the reason, so we have launched a aptitude and reasoning courses where you will be getting live plus recorded classes and plus 10 free test series, right? So 10 hours of the recorded lecture, so you can see here. So if you go to content, right, so 10 hours of the recorded lectures will be there, and then the 10 hours of the live classes will be there, and plus 10 free test series exactly based on the Accenture test pattern you will be getting it. Okay, and friends, the price is just 199 rupees. Now many of you or many of them ask, sir, why do you keep so less prices? Because I know a student searching for a job will be definitely struggling to find or to get money. Now the classes starting from 16th of August itself. Today is 14th, 15th, 16th, 8 to 9 p.m. Basic to advanced level will be covered. Classes by Pratik sir. Recording of the classes will be automatically set on the daily basis. You can watch the session on mobile as well as on your laptop. Okay, explanation will be given. Everybody will be able to understand. That's my guarantee. Recording of the video will be available. So if you miss any classes, no problem. Live doubt clearing session will be there, right? And we will be able to learn everything. I mean, most of the topics within, before your examination. Fine. So now let us start with the question. Find triangles in the below figure. Now, first you can try to solve it by yourself, then watch the solution. So friends, here, so if you have to find out triangle, then 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, so what you do, you write 4 into 2. So total number of triangle you will be getting 8 here. In the classes, I will explain you also how you will be getting 8. So see, basically you have to get it like this is one triangle, right? This is second triangle. This is third triangle. This is right fourth triangle, right? And then you can see this will be your one triangle. So this will be your one triangle. This will be your one triangle, right? This will be your one triangle, right? So you can directly count 1, 2, 3, 4. So total will be 8. Now here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of triangles in the figure, so 8 into 2, it will be 16, right? Okay, now friends, see, these are simple question, but if you have not done earlier or if you don't know, then definitely you will not be able to attempt in the exam also. Okay, now friends, here if you'll see same thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So here again 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now so here you will find 8 triangles, right? Here also you'll find 8 triangles, right? And here also you'll find 8 triangles, and you'll mark 24, but it will become wrong. Okay, now the reason is, friends, now we see if it is all three are separate, then you can say like this, but here you can say there is a joint. So in this particular figure number 1, you will get 8, particular figure number 2, 8, particular figure number 3, 8. But now you see, so joining points. Okay, so you see the joining points. So see the joining point. So basically one triangle will be like this. Okay, right? This will be possible only when you have two figures. One will be like this, right? And then again one will be like this, and then again one will be like this. Okay, so friends, these all those things I will be teaching you in the class which I'm going to start from 16th of 16th of August, so that you will not be doing any mistake in the examination, and you will damn sure that the first round you are going to clear for sure. Now, friends, in a certain code language, so basically, friends, 300 plus questions I will be doing in the class itself. Okay, so 300 plus questions, and then 200 plus questions will be there in the test series. Okay, and then at least 100 to 150 questions will be there in the live recorded video. Okay, so the recorded videos, so whatever the recorded videos are there, so this will be live session, this will be your recorded. Okay, and this will be your test series. So total combined, so almost 600 plus questions we are going to do in this particular session, only for 199 rupees. Now the link is in description, so do not wait, so get it right now. So video description, the link has been given. Now in a certain code, DEW is written as, so this is a type 1 coding and decoding, is 16, 25 and 529. Okay, now friends, so D you know, right? So DE, so you also know EJOT, which I have taught you in my previous video. If you don't know, then no problem. So E will be 5, J will be 10, O will be 15, 20 and 25, EJOT. So the code for E is 5, and the basically the position for D is 4, and W, friend, W, if we'll turn like this, then it will become 3. So W is nothing but 23. Okay, now, so this is nothing but a square of 4, a square of 5, a square of 23. Okay, then same thing for 2, you have to find it out. So 2T, EJOT, T is 20. So 20 square will be 400. O, okay, O is 15. 15 square will be 225. And W we know 23. 23 square is nothing but 529. Now look for the option 400, 529, 225. Option B will be the correct answer. See, for 90 questions, you will be getting only 90 minutes. In 90 minutes, you have to solve. That's the challenge. Okay, so that's the challenge. And that's the reason you have to practice a lot of questions before you go and attempt the examination. Otherwise, you might lose the first round of the exam. And then for another 6 months, you will be not be able to write the Accenture exam because of their cooling period. In a certain code language, Frank, okay, so in a certain code language, Frank is written as G, Q, B, M, L. Now, if you have practiced well, right? So G, F, right? See, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So basically here +1, okay? And then Q, R, right? So here basically -1, then again +1, then again -1, and then again +1. So the logic is +1, -1, +1, -1. Now you have to find out the code for this. So M plus 1 will be N, and Z, A minus 1 will be Z, and then R plus 1 will be S. So R, S, T. Okay, now then C minus 1 will be B, and O plus 1. So M, N, O, P. So N, Z, S, B, P. N, Z, S, B, sorry. Okay, so basically N, Z, S, it will be BP. So here by mistake I have written, I mean it's a typo mistake. So N, Z, S, it will be BP. Okay, so option C will become the correct answer for the question number 2. Now, friend, this is a third type of coding and decoding. So many of you do not even know that there are types of coding and decoding question. So there are 4 types. I have taken only 3 types of question here. If dog is called as cow, cow is called as lion, lion is called as buffalo, buffalo is called ox, ox is called cat, then which of the following animal is wild one? So lion is one of the animal which is wild, and lion is called as buffalo. So buffalo will become our answer, option B, right? So practice of this kind of questions is very much required. Okay, okay, fine. So that you will be doing in this particular, friends, this live session, basically the workshop of reasoning and aptitude for all the companies, Accenture and all other companies. Okay, live and recorded classes and plus 10 free test series. And this test series will be activated on 20 of August, so that you get 4 classes done and then solve all question by yourself. You will be able to see the marks which you have attended. You will be able to see the rank, okay, which you have got among who all have attempted, right? So all those things you will be able to understand, and that too, friends, only in 199 rupees. Now find the next number. So here we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. In exam you will be having 1 minute. Many of you will not be able to guess the logic itself. Okay, now, so friends, see, once you see the question, you have to think. See, if suppose if you have a number 5 and then 50 and then 250 and then we have 5,000, so here definitely something is getting multiplied. Okay, but now here if you see the number is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, that means some addition or subtraction is happening. So if I do 0 plus 1, it will become 1. If I do 1 plus 1, it will become 2. If I do 1 plus 2, it will become 3. If I do 2 plus 3, it will become 5. If I do 3 plus 5, it will become 8, right? So here option C will become the correct answer for the problem number 4. Okay. Now, question number 5. Find the next number in the series. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 10, we have X, and we have 9802. Okay. Now friends, here one thing is very, very clear, that your numbers are increasing, right? So your numbers are increasing means definitely, see, at least multiply has to happen, right? So at least multiply has to happen, or there will be squares will be there, or there will be cubes will be there. Something will be happening right now. So definitely first you have to understand the logic, practice based on that logic, and then only you will be able to perform well in the exam. So now from 1, how will you get 2? So 1 square plus 1, it will become 2. And then 2 square minus 1, it will become 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Then 3 square plus 1, it will become 10. And then 10 square minus 1 will become 99. So basically you have to find out that particular number. Okay. So that you will be easily able to get it, friends. Don't worry about that. Okay. All those things will be taught to you. Now analogy based question will be there. So we have 7584. We have 5362. And then we have 4673. And what? Now, so we have to analyze how from this we are getting this. And in a similar way, we have to get 4673 to X. Now, so here if you'll see, basically the difference 7584 and 5362, right? So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. So the difference is 2, right? So from here also we need the difference is 2, 2, 2, 2, constant difference. So it is 1, 5, 4, 2. So it will be 2, 4, 5, 1. 2, 4, 5, 1 means, okay, so here I'm sorry for that. So 2, 4, 5, 1 will be the correct answer. Here that option I have not written it, right? So friends, basically, these are the types of the questions which you are going to get in your examination. Okay. Now, syllogism question, right? So syllogism questions will be also asked, like all grasses are trees. So all the grasses, right? So all the grasses are trees. Okay. All the grasses are trees, right? No tree is a shrub. Friends, maximum students will be doing the mistake in this, type of question. So no trees is no trees is shrub. Okay, so no trees is shrub. Then no grasses are shrub and some shrubs are grasses. This is what we have to find it out. No problem. So no grasses are shrub. So friends, grasses and shrub. Now you see, tree itself does not have any relation with shrub. Now, then the grass is inside, right? So definitely the grass will not have any relation with the shrub, right? See, if you are safe, try to understand. So this is your parents, right? So suppose your parents are there, and in this room you guys are staying now. So suppose some attack happens. So if your parents is safe, then you are definitely safe. Now, so if trees does not have any relation with shrub, then grass will also not have any relation with shrub. So no grasses or shrub will become correct here. Okay. Now, so some shrubs are grasses. So if no grasses are shrub, then how come it will be some shrubs or grasses? So that will be false. So only conclusion one follows, right? So friends, whatever the topic has been discussed, so mainly what happens in the exam, so students will get confused, and because the clarity of the concept will not be there. So for that reason, friends, so once again, I wanted to tell you the link is in description. Enroll right now, okay? Because we will be having only limited number of students, 50 students in a class, and this reasoning and aptitude, this live session and recorded session definitely will help you a lot for whatever exam you are preparing. Okay. And here we are targeting 600 plus questions, including the 10 free test series classes starting from 16th of August. And the time is 8 to 9 p.m. And the link is in description. Enroll right now. Thank you. Take care and all the very, very